Fellow people of the Southern Cameroons, good citizens of Ambazonia, una welcome for this show, the No Koni Talk Show. Now me, una host, Capo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, the anti-kidnapping czar of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, around come again once more to can host this very prestigious program, the No Koni Talk Show. As una know very well, this one at the show will be dedicated for bring una the truth and nothing but the truth. Because me, Capo Daniel, I be a civil liberty activist. I believe in the right of the people for get access for information where they need them for make critical decision them about their destiny. As una know, this war for Ambazonia na a war for we all, na a collective effort by the people of the Southern Cameroon for fight for restore their dignity, for restore their statehood, na a fight for liberate our country from Cameroon colonialism, for set our people free from the grips of this colonial regime where they for Yaoundé, where the whole we wage a subjugated war on our people for keep we as second-class citizens, as people whose resources are theirs for the exploit. For this very platform, will be committed for bring una the truth and nothing but the truth. Now our mantra that we will take will do investigative journalism as well for make sure say we give una the accurate information. We also make sure so we hold leadership them for accountability, so that which way them promise and for una the Ambazonia people, it be na which way they fit do it be na which way if it be accomplished, so that make una hope may be based on something where if it eventually happen. This Ambazonia liberation war, na a war where be destined for happen. Our bonding with La République du Cameroon, it will be na a fraud. This war, it will be predictable, and at the right time, this for our people, they will set themselves free. We don't do a lot of research, we don't follow up the diplomatic progress, we don't learn from others, struggle them, and we'll be sure, say Ambazonia will be independent. The fight for our independence, the fight for freedom for Ambazonian, it not be a strange phenomenon. If you be for ground zero, you don't wonder yourself, why would you fight? Why would you suffer? The answer it not be far. The answer be with you. And today I come again with another episode for the No Koni Talk Show. I've been a Mr. No Koni. That means a man where you need to twist things them. Person where they bring una thing them straight the way we did without any Koni. I come again for give una another episode for this No Koni Talk Show. Today we will focus on the killing of Ngorang Dubila Jibri, one Banso boy where La République du Cameroon, their occupation forces them, then shoot kill him for inside Bamenda for below Foncha where they drive him motor. Dubila Jibri, na hard-working person, where don't struggle for inside Bamenda, rise from the grassroots, successfully build upstairs building. They run a small business, they run killy for nothing. He dead na the story for thousands and thousands of Ambazonia where he done pass over 30,000 where Cameroon government he done kill him for inside Ambazonia since the beginning for Ambazonia Rising for 2018. So today we go start as usually. I go play some small music, me the play on, I go get myself ready, then we go get directly into my presentation for today where it go be focused on the killing of Ngorang Dubila and the rising up of the people of Bamenda, where they now rise up to take them born one La République du Cameroon, their terrorist post for inside Bamenda. One for salute the bravery for the people of Bamenda. Bamenda indeed, the home of the brave. Wanna welcome. I want to welcome Ona. Ona they watch me for the ACN, Ambazonian Communication Network across the globe. For Africa, our refugee them across Africa, for Ghana, for many other places where they take refuge, for Nigeria as well. I want to salute Una. For salute our prisoners of war. Salute those who don't run also then they for inside America, for Mexico jungle. They find way for go seek refuge, for continue their life as this war it go on for Ambazonian independence. I want to salute Una all. For salute all our brave soldiers, our men and women, where they don't decide to stand for the war front, for carry up gun, for fight, for free our homeland. There is no more thing will be noble for any person for do than for put a life at risk, for sacrifice a life, or for put a life for service for the greater good of the Ambazonian people. I salute una welcome. Make the music go as the go. Wait, line of youth, I know very well me, una own countryman. I like my childhood. We get a very good childhood growing up without be a born somebody let go Bamenda, my hometown, land of the brave. I welcome all. Those who did watch me for YouTube, when I subscribe, it's very important because Facebook they increasingly they suppress our viewership, increasingly suppress our communication with people. For those who go watch me on YouTube, for Facebook page as well, for the ACN page, Facebook on welcome una. Those who go watch me also for the YouTube channel for the ACN on for welcome una. So all the people that look the people the part of Ambazonian governing council mission. Hey, nakaputa nyeda so. Do away. It remind me during the time where we celebrate Christmas and many other festivals when we grow up, they will do cheer dance, we will go dance for neighbor their house, they will welcome we across quarter, we grow up knowing our neighbor, taking care of each other. They be the talk say indeed for Ambazonia, it takes a village to raise a child. That one na so we grow up. Even parents the way they be the see pikin wey they go for school, where they don't run for class, they catch them, send them back for their house. We be the discipline all man because we be like people of value. We the people of Southern Cameroon, we be like people of honesty. We be like people where they work hard. We don't begin the copy thing for La Republic. When I think where we for this show we try to fight against inside our emancipation campaign. Cultural warrior as a be for also for this struggle. Una know say I carry plenty cap them. Na me una own countryman. Make una no begin the follow blindly. People they can't show una money. They flash una good life. Una go feel say una they come, they go can't help una. Eventually that people they come, they can't take even the small one una get them, add them for the one where they get them. Make una focus on hard work. Now only through hard work we person they succeed. Make una forget the idea for begin she don't the imagine say miracle will come up fall from heaven. Manners, the day for manners, it don't pass. For this war, as I ran experience for my life as an engineer, any future where you get them, now the one way you don't work hard for. Now the thing we plant them, now only you if you harvest them. For make money, now only for work, carry something, you go sell them, and then you go make money. Or for invest for something where if you go buy something, can sell them. Now the only way that, no believe in scam. Even politically, no believe in people where they tell you dreams, say they fit fulfill them where they no fit fulfill them, where they no be hardworking, they no get no plan. But believe and work with people where they get roadmap, people where they be focused, they be dedicated, they be selfless, and where they stand for fight for the people, where they stand fight for you. No be deceived by flashy figures on social media. Now one of the challenges now where people then get them in this march for our freedom. But there is one thing we be very sure. The people of Ambazonia are determined to have their freedom. No matter what way or how long it takes, they are determined. For 4 years, we ran they go through Ghost Town every Monday. When at the way our population they use and show the world say they want separation and independence from La Republic to Cameroon. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we will focus on this story for the killing of Ngorang, Dubila Njibri. They require say Njibri. Na say they call in a Banso Pikin where all man in know for quarter for inside Bamenda. La Republic du Cameroon, they ran hold that boy, just kill it so for nothing. It remind we for the other people the way they ran kill him for inside Amazonia, where they never commit no crime. How did they torture our people? How did they execute our people on a day-to-day basis? It be start with Julius Akum, where they be shoot them for their front door for Bamenda. We could talk say one for all for one. If we never made the key 1-1, eventually they go kill we all. You no go know which day we your own go for. Me some man no feel say it no concern it. Today na Babila, tomorrow it go be na woo. So all we must stand up together as a one people for stop this Cameroon terrorism for inside Amazonia. For stop this subjugation where they need to value our life. They receive we like a captive people. Them be so drunk with our resources. We for them for continue to take these resources them illegally. They go always continue to do these illegalities. They be done one week before we join them. Even they join way, you know, even join legally. But this Njumba no be married relation with La Republic. It don't time for end, it don't come. So my country people then may go straight for this issue where they don't kill this boy, Gabila Ngoran. Now picking for Banso and so boy. Now person where like many Ambazonian, he don't live his life with for inside Amazonia in a peaceful manner. They even try for even please La Republic the Cameroon, their people them for inside our territory. Make I bring the video, make we see which way it happen. I go on apologize say I don't make so a hurry and not transfer that video from my mobile device into my computer. I go just do them. It will take just like few seconds for me for do them. So now the video this I will transfer them for the computer. When I know say our technical team the Medina for America all across the globe would work, so no be all the way they feel help me for do them. The video there you go appear very soon. So make a look the video where I don't come. It is it download. Okay, you know the hear the sound it make toot. It means it transfer from my computer from my phone into my computer. Okay, it don't come they fine. So okay, the video will be ready for play. So ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonians, we don't come once more at the crossroad. Make una not expect to see this type of news for any social media because as we always talk, the revolution shall not be televised. Una don't hear about the killing of Gabila Njibri for Bamenda. Young man where don't work in money, the struggle for live hard. A practicing Muslim inside community. Man where they even buy member for a kelebe them. They don't just shoot it so for a chest, one bullet, shoot to kill, execution style, close to a checkpoint corner a house. With the same military people where they meet on them every day. Now this one will live today. The people for Bamenda, they don't talk say enough is enough. They don't rise up for catch the La Republic du Cameroon them. They know if you catch them, then destroy their checkpoint. Now a very big significant thing. Say the civilian population, they rise up in the face of injustice in front of a brutal army where they did for shoot for kill them. Destroy their checkpoint, burn them down, for sure Cameroon military say we no want them. For sure them say that them be the terrorism. The media no go continue for cover up their crimes. When I see the media line, the last time where the Voice of America, they interview me, the one for talk about the killings for Amazonia, they lie say the Amber boys them, they commit atrocity, they blame them for military. The one, it don't show all man, it don't show the international community. Say all that one a lie, now the Cameroon military them, they key people. The one the way they key driver, the way they come up for a cock. The one the way they burn people, their things them, the way they come up for inside South Atlantic State. It plenty. In a while, I will take una inside this story for where on full for inside Bamenda. But first, make I bring una small international news. We will end only for one. Now the one way they for inside Ethiopia. Una know say Ethiopia they practice also regionalism, a very good style of government. But some problems and they for inside Ethiopia, where the government they also treat them like second-class citizens. When those people they be rise up for some region where they call and say Tigray region for Ethiopia, they start begin demand their rights. Say the one for begin get more power for govern themselves. Ethiopian government if it talks to that people they want a cessation. he launched a brutal military campaign. Enter for they will gun them, helicopter, military against his own people. The whole world he talks say this one is not correct. How a government go to fight his own people, declare war against his own people? Ethiopia enter for they with military. 1 week they ran say they ran defeat Tigray region already. The people they run for Sudan, they run go for kind place and for go take refuge. Ethiopian is declare victory. Then kill most of their leaders them for the way they be even now work for as ministers for instance Ethiopia their government. Wait till that happen. The people for Tigray they ran gather their time. Time Ethiopia got military. It never make up to 1 week. They ran launch offensive, defeat Ethiopia, capture over 70,000 Ethiopia military people them, take and go to our prison. Una see am, my country people. If man they talk una will believe this story. Now this is inside Ethiopia. The Ethiopian army then this way they don't catch them. 7,000 of them. Now see them. Now where this war it be just start. Many people for inside La Republic they be talk say they be use them like example for justify their war inside Amazonia. For talk say if Ethiopia fit fight war inside your own country, what about them for La Republic? But we not be the same case. For we for inside Southern Cameroon, now we be come out to one can join La Republic. So if we decide so if we go back, we be in a recognized state, a category B country, equal to La Republic under international law. Even though no example, no be good example, but they be use this one for talk say if Ethiopia if you go fight war against your own people with all those ammunition, with their military, their army, so La Republic fee can fight we for Amazonia. Now report card this when I see the result. This one it come after the international community it don't talk say they go hold the political leadership for Ethiopia accountable for all atrocity them, war crimes they commit for inside the Tigray region. So that politician them, they no be fit come out again, they give that kind of bad order them. Their military people then be start say they go catch them to put them in prison because greater power than they for outside. Now anyway, they don't make sure they no fit kill these people them again the way they want them. The Tigray people they don't organize themselves, they don't defeat Ethiopia, take back their capital. Now they talk say we talk now like people them the way it's supposed to be. When I see that troops and this way they be sent out for day. After 8 months, they don't capture 7,000 military people. Ethiopia, if you know say if it happen, Ethiopia if you believe say that we defeat them, now so La Republic their troops are going to be defeated for inside Southern Cameroon. Now so they go take and come out. Jole had they take and for enter. So make una learn sense. You know if you fight a country, a people inside their own territory, you win them. When 96% according to statistics of the people for that country, they stand for that cause for independence. America be down warn them, their ambassador be down warn them, their diplomats be down warn them. Say they cannot defeat Amazonia. And today be clear and clear. The international community need for declare a fact-finding mission for investigate war crime also inside Amazonia. Because if things are accountable, are transparent, La Republic cannot fight. They cannot fight. Who are they going to fight? Shadows when 96% of the population wants independence, 96% of them wants Amazonia. So, ladies and gentlemen, make we take una for inside Bamenda. For this, our country boy with the rank kill for inside Bamenda Jibri, a very calm boy. Ma take una for the video footages. And we wanna see the way to happen for Bamenda. Make una know very well which way La Republic du Cameroon it do for our people them for inside Bamenda.
Now the motor this is the key for inside.
So when I see they shoot na bullet wound that shoot to kill single bullet they time they aim them very well for driver side where they know in a place where she don't they not shoot them for corner where if he hitting a hand no they shoot them directly for place where you go take it for a heart one bullet for a chest he fall for down he die. Jibri it been a boy where it struggle for survive like many Amazonians. Now so for inside Southern Cameroon people they need to work out their mobile phone because Cameroon military it go harass them, it go violate their privacy, it go take their phone open them, search them, for get messages and where they listen for news about their own country, for war about their own country. So for people that will survive, they hide one mobile phone for house. So one they dig na hole, put them for day. They wake up for morning time, read news, for get information about their liberation war, hide that phone. So one day they wear jersey for La Republique to come around their football team only for survive, including the Ambazonian the way they for La Republique. Jibri, if be na Pekin way he to the one survive. Then talk say this same military they either always can shoot down for corner day for junction day for Foncha Street Junction. They buy the mimbo they drink. So they know it very well. This same military people not be new one way they don't bring them. They ran there for that checkpoint for more than 3 months. They know Jibri very well. Either buy them mimbo as when I go here for year. Then see, then time them, then shoot them. They not only finish shoot them, they be done already put then gun where they go plan for can put an inside motor for talk say it be na Ambazonian fighter, it be na security challenge. So now a well calculated killing of our people. Now say that they don't see you being a man way strong, man way get money, man way shine. Then get way for kill you, they go kill them. For nothing, they don't kill you. When I hear the story how the eyewitness them for ground, they report them.
The bullet that will pass. One bullet, no. They are red for a chase. They are red for a chase. The bullet that. No man get motor. Like that. Like that. They make and so they can put chabum, country gun, banga. Man when there is smoke, even cigar.
So after La Republique, they assassinate Jibri. Then carry banga, can put them for day. Carry gun, then gun, can put them for day. Then they will bring their judicial police them, they can pretend so that they go write report. They know they'll cover up the crime. Then that same killers them, they go to work for road freely. They look another person for killer. This story, this type of modus operandi, it looks similar. When I remember our youths them, picking the way they be done register for write GCE, where they be go study for Old Town, where they kill them, then fall for inside some house, where they see only military people, then they run go hide. How they fear how Cameroon military they kill at will. They can catch that Pekin and kill them. Wait till them put them for day. They put banga and then gone. Now the same thing with the Siam. They kill innocent civilians day by day with impunity. Now mundus operandis for cover up. And the media in the talker. They need to focus on. If it be na say Ambazonian civilian them, they don't see some excesses for some group of boys where they take advantage for this war. They call themselves Amber Boys them. Then be matched for go for their camp. Media for play am sute me for the for publish and for big page. They go look for their pages. They just make now one small caption. Because the one no be the site for story where they the 1 year. Voice of America where interview me, big interview last week. They want go publish and then go twist them. For try for blame everything on top and use them way they see now this kind of atrocity them, then they pick gun to defend themselves. If you be na Gabila, Jibri, a brother, they can't kill your brother like this one. When a breadwinner for family, you go do how? You go shidong? You shidong yourself for your house, they go come broke your house, enter, meet up you for inside. Professional military, then be disciplined, they get a clear chain of command. So they really do an random. Now their government don't give them authority for becoming key people then like this one. Their government where they need to hold them account. Now ye the authorize them the key our people than this time. Our people then know very well. Make a player make una hear.
Put on a moto. Na moto this so na blood that. Na demand this. Mangeri kind moto, but no get moto money for buy AK-47. They can put na chavum for a moto.
They talk about how La Republique they try for make them me look let's say na a case for person where it be a risk for them now either way they shoot them. The people that say they ask us, say man get the kind moto, you know go buy AK, go the carry na chavum. You want go yourself, you carry chavum na inside your moto.
The motor this. Not die body this some man when a quarter man for below Foncha here.
When I hear the story very well, me gonna sabi my people them. Wait way they happen for Ambazonia. Now man where all man know ye. Like when I hear how them talk and for corner moto, now only ye one get that kind of moto for that area. That very kind of moto wide one so way dey. So no be something where man see a mistake say na some motorway, it come over on Saturday, the military people they no be fit identify them, it be suspicious, it be na some kind thing. No. Now gentleman, man when they even smoke cigar, But they don't put Mbanga for inside motor for show say it be maybe na Mbanga man, maybe na Amber boy, it is disguised like Amber boy for night. No. Na innocent civilian bona fide. No be only one way the civilian they testify, then talk say that military people they say that man buy the mimbo for Sunday. When I go here as the video go on, make them talk when I wait to wait it happen for inside Amazonia. Make una know say now why this will not feel level. Now why this way all man must fight. All man must make sure say it do it part is sacred duty for support this liberation war. Make we stop me no generation you know see this type of terrorism. Me no generation you know go through this type of terror. Where people they should don't know man no be safe. You don't know what you want to go for buy something they go kill you. Your picking come up a house, he dress some kind, they go kill him. He not dress some kind, they go kill him. Even pastor themselves, they kill him. Church people them, they kill him. With impunity, the killers are working every day amongst us. And those authorizing them are there in Yaoundé. When I see them, when I hear the story.
We don't come out the camp for inside a motor. Military people then shoot them. We no get no motive. For inside your own quarter, you no get no motive. Inside your own quarter.
When I hear the Cameroon military shoot Njibri for inside your own quarter, place where it supposed to feel say it didn't have a quarter, it go feel say. No be saying that some strange military people them. Now one the way it know them. When I hear the story, my country people, when I hear wickedness, badness for La République du Cameroon. These are not people we can live together with.
Sunday, during a Sunday 4th of July, they shoot Tiso kill them. I will youth them for below venture don't come out. Say military can't talk why the key.
Then the people that have a quarter they don't come out. That the terrorist military they have for them Siam. How they start for them? When I hear what to hear the people that they talk. When I hear the testimony for the atrocity them for ground, when I hear what they will talk, I'm gonna listen very well. When I hear again, make an add volume. Make gonna listen very well when I hear the conduct of the Cameroon occupation forces in Amazonia from the eyewitness, from the Quarter people, their own mob. When I hear, when I hear the whole Mami them for Quarter beat them. These military people, this Bulu Beti military and their mercenary, the way they don't hire them, they torture even our mami them for inside quarter. When I hear, when I hear, whole mami them beat them, whole pikin them beat them, whole papa them beat them. We say our own dignity today. You have a country where you know they feel do whatever they want for you, and there is nobody you can complain to. There is nothing you can do. That is why the only solution is for liberation. That is the only reason, the only solution we can have. Other than that,
man, where
yeah, how they talk about we don't chop this shit suited tired. Yes, indeed, our relationship with La République, where they feed them for we na shit. They feed we na shit. Inside TV, except they need to play their national anthem for English. They treat we take people then kale, move man for a moto, turn a inside poto, take student, turn a inside poto, rape our woman them, kill our people, burn villages them. They do all this type of things that they feed we na shit. No be relationship will continue. We need to rise up block by block, quarter by quarter, neighborhood by neighborhood, rooftop by rooftop, and make our territory uncomfortable for these people. Oh man, whatever you fit do am, you do am. If you get some na chabum, if you no get chabum, you get na rubber gun, stand far, shoot them for place where you see them. Me stone go fall for day. Me these canker worms, them where they for our territory for destroy, kill. Me then carry their back, then go for their country.
They see every day. Where they see every day.
Now the year. These military people they see in Njibri every day, they know he. They know he's a civilian, they know he's an innocent person where it just struggle for survive. Now first Muslim, when I know how Muslim them inside our Amazonia, our community, how they always be very reserved. When I hear the testimony,
know he.
Hey, that.
Ça, mamma mia. Direct for chess. Direct for chess.
When I hear my media ask them, the picking do not wait. Like the thousands up to now, 30,000 of our people them. They don't do not wait for una pobia. La Republic. What people they don't do not wait for una. Why una wicked so why una head we? Why una go kill Jibri? Why una wicked? You go kill person like that one. You get family. You get blood flow for your skin. You go see innocent man. You take your gun. A professional military way and train you fine. You open fire for your skin. Say poor boy go pay you now how much? You go live forever. So you now see people that get courage to stand up even against that gun.
May they take and go outside ground. May they take and go outside.
So they use the rights. They say, "Me they can't go get for their colonial governor. Me they can't go get for them." And they report card this. And the type of one come and the special status is the one here. And the special status this killing. Who's are the chiefs and they? Who's are the so-called house of chiefs? Where they be talking, they will be on their own. They will be independent. Me they can't talk me the military stop for kill our people. Me they can't catch the military go to court. Who's are the judicial system there? Who's are the government idea? Who's are the place for complaint idea? Even the one from Garabu, the city can play in a game day. Who's are them day? Where them day? Who's are the enablers where they talk to the one be mayors for the people, where they talk on behalf of the people? These are the people they cry now for years. They don't kill their pa, their mommy. They torture their mommy, torture their pa, put them for inside poto every day. These are the people. Who's are them day? Who's are the number and day where they talk to the one talking about peace? Me they can't talk me they catch military people then go put them for prison. Say now the terrorists and that. Who's are the journalists and they? Where them they? Where who's are the kawalas? Who's are the frundi? Who's are the all the one where they talk say they want to talk on the people their behalf? No, they need to talk now on their behalf. They the one come for take una matter for go sell una for make personal benefit. We there for here for the people. For make sure say me the aspiration and the will of the people make it be established. For speak for the voiceless. For empower those youths where they there for rise up for injustice against innocent civilians like Gibri. For empower them. For defend themselves. For practice self-defense when a cardinal law for Bible, for Quran, for the United Nations. Now the natural thing for do for defend ourselves, defend our people from this impunity. To liberate our territory, we can actually kick out these people. We don't see them for Tigray, for Ethiopia. We don't see them for Southern Sudan. We don't see them for East Timor. We not go allow ourselves to become like the Rohingya Muslim them for inside Myanmar, where they don't get country, they be stateless. They don't drive them all from their homeland. It will happen for we if we not take this challenge where the Republic bring them. Because the next occupation, it will war past the one. The international community will remain for silence forever. So we must fight for make sure so we liberate our country, get our independence, no matter what it happen. When I follow the story, when I hear the population know who be behind the killing. The people that they talk so say Cameroon military must go. Military must go. Military must go. The people don't want the Cameroon military again in Ambazonia. These are the youths, unscripted. These are children working spontaneously, reacting to what you have heard them said. It is torture, is kale, is rape, is killing of innocent civilians, trying to set them up for nothing. When I listen what the youths are saying, military must go. Military must go. This Cameroon terrorist military, They not be wanted. Make them go. Make the population rise up to chase away this terrorist military. But see, the people are speaking. They know what is going on. They are not naive. They are not blind. No matter the media manipulation, the people have given a clear message to the world. This message will not be televised, but the people shall prevail. They shall be consistent.
We go kill them, Taya.
And look, it's not ambiguous. They know who the killer is. So they record who he name.
How many people?
So they know exactly who have authorized this war, who is supervising these military operations that target our innocent civilians. It's Paul Biya Mvondo, the president of La République du Cameroon, the occupying power in Ambazonia. Their political leadership are responsible for the conduct of their military, which they have given a free hand to kill our people at will. It is systemic, it's war crime, and we must continue to defend ourselves and call on the international community, fight just like the Bible says, the persistent widow who asks for justice. Even if that judge is wicked, one day that justice will come. We must remain strong, fight for justice for our people as they fight them. Now our people in that where they die every day for Pobia in hand. Now Pobia the Kiwi, because it will be Ambazonia, because we want to call our name, because we want to remember our history, because we want to claim our legitimate right, national law. Now it is a rebellion. Our Muslim brothers, since they never keep a long time as a Muslim, the rebellion. It shot a good life than be cut short because of Cameroon terrorism, Cameroon occupation, fighting over petroleum and our resources. Not because they love us. Our people don't want their presence anymore. We don't want their military. We don't want their authority. We call on the international community to hold Mr. Paul Biya for all this atrocity being committed in Ambazonia. We'll continue to stand to remember all the victims of Cameroon occupation and subjugation war against our people. We don't see last time. I go want to bring for una. This our mami where then kili for Insangwa. For some village where they call and say Ngom. Now mami na Lydia. Ngwang Lydia. Where then can kill where they cook fufu for inside kitchen. Military men like Republic military men come inside house, can shoot it, kill them, execute it. Then come with 2 armored cars. Say the mami they say pikin dan go married Ambazonian fighter. No be say the mami commit crime. No be say they no be fit catch the mami. No be say they be fit interrogate the mami. The mami never do anything. Then kill them. Now say they go continue for the Kiwi until we get that liberation. And we need to fight with everything we can so that we liberate our country. This terrorism, it they go on for nothing. It go on because of economic interest with Cameroon government get them. I want to remind you for which way happened last month, where because we are people they then became decided they're not going to sell again their cash crop, their resources for La République du Cameroon. Una look where to La République is do one for them. Make it remind una say these things they may happen for nothing.
On the 27th of May 2021 in my mill.
So now the owner
section and the office section. The
person
is down.
Now person this way that open mill spend millions of CFR. Open mill, one of the major private suppliers of oil for inside Southern Cameroon, Atlantic State. Now it is La République they don't come with the authority of their colonial SDO, come burn them, chakara outing, destroy cash crop because they know they can't supply them for them. Now their main interest is for inside our territory. These their actions them, being a rook action, it been a well calculated actions for keep us subjugated and exploit us as they do one for the past decades.
All the roof is down, burnt by fire. This is the office section. You can see the roof was burnt down. Look, engine, a Lister engine.
Now see
that had preserved in the store and the gearbox besides it. everything burnt to ashes. With all other things that you could not see after the everything is down. Then from the office, I
When I
go
see
to the store. This is the store. You can see the roof of the store is also
the woman go explain them how the colonial SDO is sending warning to tell you say if they no can supply them with oil, they go come burn the place them.
You go up, there is nothing. The whole roof is down. This is like this. It's down.
We don't see picking the way they go sell cocoa for inside Nigeria. How they catch them, kill them for road.
Understand why this is happening? What error have I committed that the government cannot call me for questioning, and then they tend to punish me in this way?
So now the owner the talk. Now witness testimony this. Say even a way to serve the Cameroon government for call if you can't talk with ye. But then send people, they send military me come burn down a factory where in they just help now this woman, but the entire community for process their palm nuts into oil.
That time I'm facing this problem. On the 8th of March 2019, I went through this same problem where my kitchen was burnt and then the milling section was burnt. On the 8th of April 2019, it happened the same. And then today again, on the 27th of May, it has happened again. I don't know what I've done that I cannot be called for questioning. And then they tend to punish me in this way. Please, if there is somebody to help me, answer these questions. If there is somebody to help me, tell me my offense. I will be very happy.
Una here?
In the yard.
What have we done? What have our people done? Only to reclaim what is theirs. Only to ask for their rights. Something that is legitimate. Something that is even acknowledged within the Cameroon Constitution. Because in the Cameroon Constitution, you can denounce your nationality. In Cameroon Constitution, they had a precedent that shows that our territory was a territory that comes into union with them. In a federal system, they had 2 stars. So what our people are going through is not something that any rational person will not understand. They are punishing us for nothing other than who we are. If money being made here was going to their villages, they will not do this.
You can still see crop that was brought home from the farm. We were ordered not to do milling. We were ordered to stop milling after 48 hours.
Why then stop them? Because they want me farmers then go begin give their product for palm oil. Palm oil way they use them, the people they need to get any benefits. They take an oil, they don't bring a francophone them, they don't take all their position the way we get our Southern Cameroon for day. They don't carry the headquarters even for CDC, then go to for Yaoundé. It don't been an exploitatory system. I will bring some video footages and way some of those workers that are sent for me. I will present them for in our subsequent shows and we're gonna see the reality of our people them. All this plantation them now exploit machine where the colonial master they believe in for La Republic, their government. Make una remember say poor beer now the people the way they be fight independence for their own against their own country. Now they win and then that for our war. Now they can't take over for be the puppet for this European this network of European multinationals as we be saying for the case of ELF, when now then they way Charles de Gaulle behind set up this system, a backdoor system for beginning tap into our resources for benefit of foreigners. This system they punish our people because they don't begin realize say they fit do them by themselves. We fit trade even for Biafra, for Nigeria, rather than trading with people where they go make benefit, take them for buy guns for coming back and kill our own Pekin and they.
That we obey the instructions. This burning was done after the 48 hours and nobody was in the milling. Look at crop that people harvested from their various farms. They could not mill.
So now here this is community
Since they
crops.
wanted to obey the Joe's instructions. I don't know who instructed the other people now to come and be doing burning. You can see the whole yard littered with crop from different areas.
So this not be propaganda we would talk am. This is a reality on the ground. La République du Cameroon carrying out terrorism, carrying out arson attack, targeting innocent civilians, destroying entire populations, crops, just to punish our people for crimes they did not commit. Collective punishment. It is a war crime. I want to take one also for Bamenda, for Council Junction, when the Bamenda Brigade of the ADF, they launched a brazen attack, daylight attack killing 4 gendarmes them where they work at terrorize our people them. One of them will be then share the picture where they then carry the one where be wounded go for general hospital, the treaty for day. And when I know very well say Cameroon, as we talk the real revolution, what can really save you will not be televised. All those attacks carried out by the ADF will never be mentioned in the media by the Cameroon military. As a matter of fact, Cameroon will even advertise attacks against their own soldiers that are being committed by groups that are small because it is for their interest for our groups to be diverted. It is their interest for groups not to collaborate. All the things you see their enablers are pushing forward within the system of the revolution that serves Cameroon interests. That is what they are fighting for. So ADF, a mother base, the biggest supplier for arms for other groups, inspiring other groups, generating recruitment, and pushing a well-disciplined structure that will make sure our forces will not have excesses, is being sabotaged. And when I will show on a video for Council Junction, which way La Republic do after the ADF then attack them, how they can treat population, where they don't get nothing to do with them. This one around the Council Junction day, after the attack by the Amazonian Defense Forces today, when I see La Republic their action. This one are action for a well-trained military, a professional military. Cut plenty. When I feel imagine what it go on for a brain inside the brain of the Cameroon military, for take collapse, enter for farm, destroy crops, where now the civilian population need to enjoy these crops. Now the work this the Cameroon military, corner Council Junction, they for inside Bamenda, for punish our population, for destroy their crops, affect their livelihood, make them destitute, make them become so poor, so beggars, where they know they will lose their sense of entitlement to fight for their right, for their freedom. This one are Cameroon terrorism. This one are the special status this way Cameroon we Paul Biya promise for our people. This type of treatment, no be a treatment if we accept them, we need to fight with everything we have to liberate ourselves from Cameroon occupation. We need to support the boys, make sure they have the right equipment, the necessary equipment they need to fight for the liberation of our homeland. Now they think this way they go on for inside Amazonia. And La Republic know for the get away with all these things if they don't get enablers them, where they will work with, if they don't get collaborators. They try to create space for bring those collaborators and enablers, meet the candidate, they represent them for continue, for get some type of legitimacy. Now why that we talk to me, all collaborators, me then leave our territory, me then go for La Republic, me then not be within our territories. It be unfair for our citizens them. Say why Cameroon it ban our own expression of our nationalism, the expression of the will of the people for independence, then they go to facilitate, use terrorism, use force for bring in people where they go to project their illegal system upon our people. So make all collaborators or the administrator the way they represent Cameroon state for our territory, make them vacate our territory. It be provocative to say the least. That is the reality of what is happening. And they are using our own people also to accomplish this. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to present one of a time a rare images where they come up from our intelligence units them for inside Bamenda Day for show the modus operandis why the issue of Black Lake it be so important. We then decide to release this particular image for show an investigation into a Black Lake. One of our military people, one of our Amazonian the way a military person for inside La Republic, it then show we a Black Lake, a picture for a Black Lake where it then come for their military base, would need help for the general public to identify this Black Lake. This is a Cameroon military a person where it work for Cameroon as a Black Leg for the gather intelligence. Now they send this type of people, they meet them go for inside quarter for look place where our boys and the way they fight for defend their neighborhood, for begin identify people the way they support Amazonia struggle, for can give intelligence for La Republic to come around their military, me they act upon. As soon as we see the same boy, we then track it down, our intelligence officer, they then track it down. When I see how they meet up the Cameroon military, for tell them place where they will go attack, where they will go attack. And many of the time, because this boy them, they pay them, or sometimes they threaten their life, they just point people the way they not be justified for satisfy the Cameroon military, because they know say the Cameroon military they just want to kill any man where they need to support Ambazonian, where they need to support La Republic, their presence for our territory. So now the activity then this for Black Legs and what they see for inside our territory. When we see now the same boy now the same t-shirt that we wear with the same cap. Now this way we now follow it up. Our intelligence officer they then track it down. Eventually it do exactly which way they be give with the intelligence say they do They don't send it for inside quarter. Either go come back, na either meet up the La Republic, their troops them for the battlefield, for pass that intelligence for them. Me they use them for kill our youths them. So any man will get if you see this boy face in know the person in name, please contact us. Now my number this for down here. Inform us about the identity. The person will be wanted for collaborating with the Cameroon military for carry out the atrocity within Ambazonia. We also want to take this opportunity for talk for all free girl the way they sleep with Cameroon military. I will call the names them. Make una no mistake. We need to target women them because we don't get some human rights organization that they try for get inquiry about this. We are not targeting women at all. We defend the right of women and we have good women working within our institutions. But it just happens to be that most Cameroon military are men and they are going out with women specifically to use them as agents and to gather intelligence. So they go around sleeping with girls, even a shower around our territory. So I want to send a specific message for Ground Zero for Bamenda in particular, and it applies for all the entire territory of Southern Cameroon. In particularly for Tamulung. For Tamulung, this one because we get cases the way it be ongoing. Women they for Tamulung where they follow La Republic their military. The one they for Mulang, the one they for Ngongam, the one they for My 6, My 7 for Rendezvous for Ntarinkun, and especially for Alakuma. If you follow Cameroon military man, from today when you hear this voice, stop them. For the past 3 weeks, the coming 3 weeks from this broadcast they make them. If you do for any of this quarter them where you sleep with military, if they see you with that military, they will arrest you for questioning. If you mistakenly go, you must go meet other military man, but sleep with you, for go enter with you, for discuss with you, come out of this territory within these 3 weeks. We no go tolerate them. We don't come time and again. Talk say we don't forbid for national security reasons. Any woman may not follow Cameroon military, or any man may not follow Cameroon military. Any woman will follow Cameroon military. I want to repeat them again. Una hear me because una know so we watch una. We know the activity. We know why the military they target una. Because we get Ambazonia and the way they within them, and our friendly Bamileke people that within them, where they give you reliable information about the situation where they go on the ground. If you do in Tambulung, Mulang, Ngomram, My 6, My 7, up to My 8 also, Rendezvous, Fontarinkun, and Alakuma. If you follow Cameroon military, carry a bag, go for Cameroon. Leave with Ambazonia. These 3 weeks in particular, 1, 2, 3 weeks from today, the 6th of July. My date be wrong. 6th of July. Carry a bag, go for La Republic. It be forbidden for follow La Republic. You know if you be a woman, you dey transact with military. There you deal with our boy and for quarter. They can't point boy the way they need. I say they do am. I know go further. But do one a clear example for Black Leg and for sure I say when our forces them they go against people that they provide intelligence for La Republic where it leads to the death of innocent civilian, targeting of people the way they for the people for their political opinions them. No be because of nothing, now because we get solid lead, we get solid information, we get evidence for their wrongdoings. And the boys they need to act because now a matter of life or death for them. When Cameroon military you be identified by these black legs, whether rightfully or wrongfully, they just come and kill you sometimes, even kill people them for your house, burn on a house them. Now the things in that way they go on for Ground Zero. Unfortunately, we need to come to an end because now already around 2 o'clock for Hong Kong time. So we will continue for bring on our revolutionary messages and for make sure say make the revolution be spoken for the Ambazonian communication network and for our social media network, for my YouTube, for my Facebook page, even though they cut off our Facebook page. We'll continue to stand with our people for Bamenda. Dr. Cho Ayaba, the leader of our War of Liberation, he done leave a powerful message for the people. We will transform them into video and we will broadcast them for this channel and also on ACN. God bless you now. When I get a good day, when I continue for whole grass, stand up strong, for fight for our freedom. Until that freedom it will be effectuated. We are doing the right thing. We are on the right side. God is on our side, and the God who fight for us will go ahead of us as we fight La Republique du Cameroon for our independence. God bless you now. Ciao.